Hi, with math is easy with Ala. We will continue with integration by parts, example 6. Looping integration by parts. Let us take this example. Evaluate the integral of ex cosine x. By the list, we know that the final here, although the end of this list is t and e, and they are in the same order. For that, if I use u equal ex and dv equal cosine x, what I will get, first of all, I will derivative u, it will be ex dx, and v equal the integral of cosine x is sine x. So the integral of ex cosine x dx equal, we multiply u by v, it will be ex sine x, then minus the integral of v du sine x vex. Here, look here, how can we find this one? Let's do it here. The integral of ex sine x dx, I will put u equal ex and dv equal sine x dx. Then du equal the derivative of ex, it's ex, and the integral of sine x minus cosine x. Now we multiply u by v to get the integral of it will be minus ex cosine x minus the integral of v times du. Minus with minus will be plus integral of ex cosine x. Now we return here minus. This integral is the same. This is the integral of ex sine x. We replace the integral of ex sine x dx by this one minus ex cosine x plus the integral of ex cosine x. Now remove the brackets. Minus with minus will be plus ex cosine x minus the integral of ex cosine x dx. Remove this to the other side here, and we know here what we have here, the integral, the question, the integral of ex cosine x dx. It will be the integral, just a minute, the integral of ex cosine x dx plus the integral of ex cosine x dx equal ex sine x plus ex cosine x. Means that we have to now here ex cosine x plus ex cosine x, it means 2 integral ex cosine x dx equal ex sine x plus ex cosine x over 2 ex cosine x dx equal 1 over 2 times ex sine x plus ex cosine x plus the constant c. We forget here to put the constant. Let's here put c1 plus c1. When we divide by 2, it will be c. This is if we take ex as u and dv cosine x as dv. Now, if I want to change, if I want to solve it another way, I will put u equal cosine x and dv equal ex dx. Now, the integral of u, the derivative of u, sorry, is minus sine x, and the integral of ex is ex. Now, multiply u by v, then the integral of ex cosine x dx equal u times v, ex cosine x dx minus, with minus will be plus, v times du, it will be ex sine x dx. Now, I want to find this one. Let's do it here. The integral of ex sine x dx, let me take u equal sine x, and dv equal ex dx, du equal cosine x, and the integral of ex is ex. Now, the integral of ex sine x dx equal u times v, ex sine x minus the integral of v du, ex cosine x dx. I will replace the integral of ex sine x dx by ex sine x minus the integral of ex cosine x. It will be here the integral of ex cosine x dx equal ex cosine x plus ex sine x minus the integral of ex cosine x dx. Remove this to the other side. It will be 2 ex cosine x dx equal ex cosine x plus ex sine x, let us say plus c1, divided by 2, the integral of ex cosine x dx equal 1 over 2 ex cosine x plus ex sine x plus the constant c. Same answer. This is called looping integration by parts because you get the same question when you make the integral. You must remove it to the other side and solve the question. See you in another example. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel. See you later.